Hello, this is 5th generation Hobby Shop. Welcome, and I'm going to show you the unit of Sir Mark of Tarlac. Sir, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Shout out po sa inyo dyan sa Tarlac. So, this is your unit, sir, the Glock 34. Yes, the Glock 34 4 series by WE. This is the custom design of Glock 34. So, ito yung kanyang box. Yan. 34 black frame, black slide. So, this is all black by WE. Ayan. Made in Taiwan. Okay? So, as requested ni sir na 0.25 na yung kasamang BBs, sir. Ayan. Ito na po yung 0.25, 3,000 shots, yung isang pack. And also, the Pop Dino number 12 standard power na green gas tank. Okay? Sir Mark, buksan na natin yung unit. Yung box. So, this is it. The owner's manual. So, you need to scan the QR code for the parts explosion in the instruction manual. Okay. And also comes with the box strap. Ayan. And the box strap pin. And the unit. Okay, the magazine is 24 rounder. And this is the Glock 34 4 series ng WE. Okay, semi-automatic pistol, gas blowback. Ayan, naka magwell na siya. Stipple grip. Slide stop, slide release is not ambidextrous ready. Serrations on front, rear serrations on front. Also with the serrations on top. With the cut on slide. Both side may cut. Yan. Fiber optic side front. Yan, green. And fiber optic side rear, orange. With the design of Punisher skull design on backplate. Yan. And then this one, this is the back strap. Kung gusto niyo siyang ilagay, meron siyang pin na naka-install yan. So you need to remove the pin para mag-lock siya. Then you need to replace yung pin na nandyan by this one. Kasi ito mas mahaba to para mag-lock yung backstrap. So, optional naman. So, kung gusto nyo namang ganyan yung itsura ng unit ng Glock 34 nyo. So, nasa sa inyo po kung lagyan nyo siya ng pin ng backstrap. Okay? Yan. The Glock 34 is long barrel. So, much accurate. Mas higher EPS. So, later on, i-try natin yung EPS. Kung ilang EPS po itong Glock 34 nyo, sir. Okay, and also with the railing. So, railing siya. So, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng flashlights, accessories. Yan. And also, meron siyang thread din. Outer barrel niya. Pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng tracer units. So, meron tayong video on that, yung tracer units, kung paano siya gumagana. Okay, it's like silencer na mayroong umiilaw. Okay, so Sir Mark of Tarlac, sir. Ayan. So, this is your Glock 34. Ngayon, lagyan natin siya ng BBs. I'm using 0.20 para sa chronograph. Okay, so yung standard kasi na ginagamit ko for chronograph test is 0.20. So, yun, take note na mas mabigat yung BBs, mas mababa yung velocity or yung feet per second niya kasi mas mabigat yung BBs. So, the more the BBs na mas mabigat, mas mababa ang velocity. So, sabihin natin ito, pumapalo ng 360, 370 point, using the 0.20 or the 0.2 na BBs. So, pag 25 siguro, bababa lang siya ng konti. Okay? So, I'm using the 0.20 grams na BBs per chronograph. So, itetest natin ngayon kung ilang ilang EPS ito, sir. Okay? So, lagyan lang natin ng gas. Okay, I load already gas and with the 2 rounds 6mm BBs. Okay, so check natin yung chronograph kung ilang EPS po ito. Okay, on lang natin. Okay, Sir Mark of Turlock, sir. Check natin yung EPS kung ilang EPS po. Ang inyong Glock 34. Again, this is the Glock 34 4 series all black by WE Taiwan. Okay. So, check na natin. Chronograph test. Firing 371.2. Okay, malakas ah. 371.2. Okay. 371.2. So, consistent yung EPS. Especially sa mga long barrel, talagang consistent ang EPS. Hindi basta-basta siya bumababa or nagbabago. So, consistent siya, 371.2. So, nag-open slide siya dahil 2 BBs lang nilagay ko. Okay, so this one, sir, is normal, no? Talagang gumagalaw yung ating barrel. That's normal, sir, kasi naka-stock tayo, stock barrel tayo. Okay, so release the magazine lang muna. And then, hatak yung slide. Then, release. Okay, so ngayon, proceed tayo, sir, sa shoot test. Okay, Sir Mark of Turlock. Proceed tayo sa shoot test. Again, this is the Glock 34 4 series of WE semi-automatic pistol, gas block pistol. So, I load 2, 4, 6, 8, then 12 rounds of BBs. Okay, insert. And medyo lakasan nyo lang ng konti yung pag-insert, sir, lalo na especially sa Glock. Kasi pag medyo mahina yan, hindi siya naglalak totally. Okay, pwedeng mahulog yung magazine. Okay, so Sir Mark, yan. Testing. So, let's shoot the plate first. Okay, firing. Okay, walang missed. So, now, proceed naman tayo sa baba. Okay, sir, nag-open slide siya. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, wala na siyang BBs. So, ang gawin nyo po, ganito po. Release nyo yung magazine first. Okay, release the magazine first for safety. Okay, always release the magazine first for safety. And then, hatak nyo lang tong slide. Then, release. Okay, hammer down. Okay, Sir Mark of Turlock, sir, thank you for choosing 5th generation Hobby Shop. Kung mayroon pa kayong question regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming page, 5th generation Hobby Shop. Okay na po ang inyong unit. 100% in good condition po. And ready to ship. Thank you, sir, and God bless.